This is week 116 of building our YouTube channel. Today we have 9,355 subscribers, which is exactly the same as the population of the city of Woodbridge in the US. So far we have published 7,861 videos. In total we have generated 32,900 hours of watch time, or 3 years, 275 days. In this series we review our weekly statistics and talk about YouTube business strategy and the creator economy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. For more resources and useful links, check out our descriptions. So let's jump into the YouTube studio. Here we are in the YouTube studio. These are the last week's statistics. As you can see, we have generated 78,000 views, 966 hours of watch time, which is quite a bit more than the last week's statistics, 228 subscribers, and $237 revenue. Let's check out the 48-hour and 60-minute statistics. These are the most viewed videos in the last 48 hours. The most best performing videos are older videos, as it is with search-based content. When you publish videos that are targeted mainly for the YouTube search, not the homepage or not the suggested pages, then usually it gets views with time. So as you upload them, they don't really get any views right away. As you can see, as we are publishing our videos, they get very little to no views. But with time, if the video starts to rank at some of these search terms, then it starts to get some views. And after it hits smaller milestones like 1,000, 2,000 views, then the click-through rate may even raise and get even more views. So most of these videos are, let's check them out, are getting views after like 100 or 200 days. As you can see, this video got almost 0 views for 160 days, and then it started blowing up, and now it generates views every single day. Yeah, so this is the search-based views. It's not a Google homepage, not recommended videos, because with those videos that are just blowing up, they usually stop or slow down extremely after time. But as you can see, these search-based videos are not slowing down at all. They are generating the same views every single day. Let's see the reach. Where are these views coming from? 96% search and 1.5% external, which is quite interesting. So the second best source is external for us. And what is external? If you look into it, it is actually Google search, so it's still search. So yeah, let's see some more statistics here. The revenue, the same with the revenue generation. 90% of the revenue comes from old videos. The new videos are generating basically nothing yet, but yeah, they are still going to catch up as the old videos are doing. So let's check out. We had a question in the last week's episode. Commenter Mandragora asked the question, hey, I have a similar channel in the how to niche, very cool, but I have a problem coming up with video ideas. Do you see any tools to generate video ideas? So this is a very good question. There are many different ways to go about idea generation. The best thing that I can suggest is the best tool that I would suggest to use is your brain. If you think, then you can come up with ideas. But jokes aside, it's really just up to coming up with ideas. You can for sure check out your competitors, as you do with us. If you have the same niche channel, we are each other's competitors, which is a good thing. So you can check out other channels, what they are doing, what videos are performing. But that is not the best situation in all the cases, because they might have some videos performing well in some very specific niche, but that niche might be already filled up, and there might not be any room for you to grow there. So this is not the only thing. Another very good, very useful tool that I would recommend is vidIQ that we are using. We have a promo code in the description, so you can go down and you can sign up, and it also helps out our channel if you sign up using our link. So with the vidIQ platform, you can use basically these ideas. They are suggesting to you some ideas that are close to your channel's niche, and they also show you the search volume of these ideas. How many searches do these titles or keywords get, and what is the competition rate? So as you can see, these video ideas have low competition rate. You can get daily ideas here with very high performance, high or medium performance video ideas, or you can go and search for keywords that you want to use in your videos. As you can see, it shows the rising keywords. Are obviously the Turkey earthquake gets huge search volumes. And if you have maybe an app, maybe I want to make videos about vidIQ, if you're here and I search for it, I can see that it gets quite a huge search volume. It gets 1.3 million searches, and the competition is quite low. So now I just found an idea for myself. Maybe we should make videos about the vidIQ software. Actually, I'm doing that, so this is quite meta. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to follow our journey. To see our previous reports, check out this playlist.